It is great to lie on the ground, especially lying down on the green field, and blue sky naturally, effortlessly open up. It is like awareness. It's always already here, surrounding, and earth, ground is like a presence in being, never be absent. It's always here and now. We are always supported by this being. Through this being, through this presence, we are having different experience of this time and space. Because of presence, because of being, we are able to function. We are existing. We are extracting different experience. And this awareness, spaciousness, space, like a sky, is completely, always holding, unconditionally holding us, holding this physical phenomena, all this experience of time and space. Awareness is always watching over, unconditionally. It is unconditional love. And through this, everything appears, everything exists. When we lie on the ground, we experience our essence naturally, effortlessly. Its steadiness, its security, its peace, its sureness of presence, and its openness and the freedom, its spaciousness of sky, awareness. So simple. It's always here. Enlightenment is nothing but alignment, just nothing but being aware. Just be yourself. Lying on the ground is like a surrendering to being, presence. Open up to the space, open up to the awareness that is always here and now. Surrendering, like lying on the ground, is so relaxing and bring us clarity and vitality and aliveness. We find true self through just lying on the ground. Let us embrace ourselves, embrace our essence, which is always here and now, already supporting, no matter what we did or didn't, no matter what we think or didn't think. Usually we consider the clouds as a symbol of thoughts and stuff, and the sky is awareness is never be effective. It's always there. It's keep expanding, so spacious and free.